like being part of Nach Baliye? Like, what's the vibe and the atmosphere like?
I think it's very new for me. I come from a dancing background,
Yes, you
from
do.
a reality show background, and like she has been in the industry since 10 years, and she's like way senior than I am, and she's like professional. She's worked so much with so many people. So I think for me to be a part of like such amazing people who have worked so much and they're so famous, they've done so great. So it's for me it's good because I come from a choreographer background, and probably whoever is a choreographer dancer, they really want to come here. So I was just lucky to have her in my life, and maybe I was very this thing that she could just see this in me. कि अरे यार, this guy is like not a dancer, not a मतलब nothing what he does, but what he is. That's what she liked, and I'm very glad.
Yeah, like I just think it kind of worked out initially when we started. We were really like excited. I was thrilled. I was like, yeah, you know, that's really this time we're gonna be working together, baby. But I've realized that it's a lot of stress. Yeah. Like even I think even the best people don't get along all the time. So both of us, you know, we have our ups and downs in terms of, you know, there are disagreements.
Yeah, always.
Oh, there are
मतलब
bad
they say
disagreements sometimes.
it's fights and like these discussions and arguments should always happen, because I think that's a must, because in general we outside we're so like humble and everything, which is very like it
It's different.
it's
Yeah,
on
you know-
us like we can, I know with on her I can nikalu my gussa and just I know she'll be fine, and she does the same.
As
So
the same, yeah. So we kind of went
yeah,
went out on each other, but it's important, yeah. The kind of pressure I think every couple is facing, it's tremendous, yeah. It takes a lot.
it's good fun.
Yeah, but it's good fun. Yeah.
But okay, so what's it like with the other couples on set? Like, you know, I'm sure most of them must be your friends and you're all in the
Yeah,
same
yeah.
circle.
Yeah.
So it
Everyone
must
is
be like
fun.
really nice cheering for like other couples.
That's
and
there.
like, I mean, it's a competition, but like, you know, friendship is
I
like,
know,
you know,
I know.
where
You know,
it is.
initially when I had to like perform on stage, I used to freak out because like I'm not. I'm dancing with a sanam. Like this is what I had in my head before.
I can
the first-
imagine because he's a pro and like, you know,
And I'm
coming
dancing
from that
with
point of view, it
Sanam.
must be like.
Terence sir has told us, like, you know, on the first competitive act, he told us that he's going to be expecting a lot.
Yeah.
So मेरी ना हालत खराब हो जाती
So
थी
फट
कभी-कभी.
गई थी fix.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
I think
definitely.
everybody is so motivating. Like when we go on stage, like each person is cheering out for you. No one thinks, you know, like, oh, ये competition है.
Yeah.
And I love that because there's such senior actors. We have
Yeah.
Bharti, we have Sanaya.
Yeah.
And you know, they've done so well for themselves. They're in such good positions today.
And they're all
Like-
funny. They're like all
And they're all
weird. It's
funny. And like that's what I told Sanaya also a few days ago that I never thought, you know, that I'd ever be laughing because of you. You know, I always thought that you're a very serious kind of girl. And she's actually so much fun. She's actually so caring, so considerate and
Yeah.
everything.
Good.
She's everybody.
Sweet.
You stay together, yeah, like almost 12 hours a day. You come out, like for me, it's like recess, you know, where I come out, break hota hai na school mein. We come out and then we see each other, everyone talks, it's a little lightening up of the mood. Then we go back to the struggle.
Okay.
Mazduri.
I feel really bad for you guys.
No,
Dancing
actually, no, I don't know why we're being such bicharas. It's fun also.
It's
just
fun,
like a very
sure,
tired. We slept
because-
at 3 in the night.
Yeah, I can imagine, like, you know, but I mean, it's great. I mean, you all can eat as much as you all want.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
Don't get a
that's the
shit. I mean, eat as much and drink as much as
I
you
think
want and
that's a
dance
good
it all
thing.
off. Yeah, I mean, that's the best workout anyone
Yes.
could have.
Why do you think I'm dancing since?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it keeps me
It makes
fit.
total sense.
Yes.
Okay, so your fans call you Abhinav. What's it
Abhinav.
like? What's it like? I
Um,
mean, what do you feel when you feel like, you know, when you hear your names together? Like,
Yeah.
when you all heard it first time? What was it like?
I think it's a very cute feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like in school we take out flames, we take out percentage of this thing. So I think it's very cute. It brings us
Yeah,
those memories. Oh, it's so cute. Hashtag Abhinav, and it's. I
It's
think-
just like going back to school.
Yeah, it's all
Yeah,
very.
I said a recess and everything. It's actually like going back to
Yeah, full
And-
on drill.
And who? Okay, so since you all call it like school and everything, who is the toughest teacher? Who is the toughest judge of
Parents,
the?
sir.
Yeah, no
Darren.
doubt.
And who's
He's
the
a
friend
who's
star.
and I know I'm gonna ask you to be a little biased, and I could get in trouble for this because, like, you know, I mean, it's like online and everything. But who's your favorite judge personally?
I feel my favorite judge is Sonakshi ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So you
she's.
must be really missing her now. that
Yeah,
she's-
this only 1 week she wasn't there because I think she had her other
Yeah,
prior commitments
prior
and everything.
commitments, yeah.
So we Malaika Arora as a guest judge.
So how was that also like
Super
having
good,
her?
yeah.
Because she's a
Very
professional dancer, so you all can.
She's
I
very
think-
hot. I still remember post our performance that we did Barish. So Karan Tacker, our host, he came
Yeah.
and he was like, "Arey, you know, I didn't see the performance. I was too busy looking." He was just
Yeah.
joking with Malaika.
Yeah.
And then she was like, "Arey, you should have seen them." And I felt like saying it that time on the mic also, "Ma'am, if I was in his place, even I would be looking at you
Yeah.
only."
She's
She was
hot,
so
yeah.
hot.
She's hot. With that, I don't know how old is she, but I don't want to get that. It's just that
Of
with
course.
that age and with that experience, I think she looks like a super diva. Yeah.
Yeah, like you know, there
So
was
she's the ultimate diva to you.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
we
full
shot this
on.
entire entry scene yesterday in the episode where the boys come and you know they're dancing with
Good
all that
fun.
beautiful.
I'm sure she's going
Oh,
to
you
be
should have
very
seen-
happy hearing that.
You should have seen their faces. They were like little schoolboys, but then they were so happy to be dancing.
This is like our English teacher
I still
because
remember, I still remember the creative came and told all the girls that you know you guys have to look a little pissed so that you know
Yeah.
ऐसे थोड़ा effect आए.
Yeah.
But by the time they used to enter dancing, none of us felt like getting pissed. All of us were like, yay, go for it. And then the creative was also like, yeah, let it be.
Yeah, it's just like
They're
go with
actually
the
looking
flow
so
kind of
adorable
thing.
dancing.
good fun.
Very cute.
I think she has that energy to get that schoolboy out of you.
Yeah.
Alright, and I mean, so you've already been in the dance background. Like, how did you start with the whole dance thing? Like, you know, I mean, how is it like to, I mean, when did you first decide that, hey, I want to grow up to become a dancer, or hey, I enjoy dancing?
See, I've been enjoying dancing since I was 6, 7,
Okay.
and I still remember I first dance performance. I became a honeybee
Oh yeah.
with 2 plaits because
Oh,
my
the
mother
kid,
made
he's
2
a
plaits.
Oh, what I would do to
Yeah,
get that
yeah.
picture.
Oh,
I'll,
he can show
I
you.
can show.
Okay, good.
So yeah, that I started then. I started since then, and I've been like a very quiet child, a little underconfident. So I think in general, I think everybody will agree. 80% of dancers, they're underconfident. So how they can express is from their bodies to move with movement. Chup rakhe sab kuch bol dena. I think that's what I've been trained in, like self-trained in. I've never taken like professional. I hadn't taken professional training since like till the age of 19.
Okay.
So 7 months I did ballet, and that was it. Then I did Dance India Dance, and I think I didn't decide that I wanted to do this, but everything there was a path that I followed, and I'm here. Abby this time, like now.
And you are into acting, like you did D4 and everything. So how did you decide that, hey, I want to become an actor? Like, I mean, was it like a spontaneous feeling?
No, actually, I was 15 when I started
Okay.
working. And I was standing outside my college, not my college, actually, I bunked my college and gone to another college for the college fest. And but the people from Balaji, the casting guys, they were out auditioning, they're having their own auditions. And one of my college friends wanted to go and, just audition. And she was like, just come with me for company's sake. I was like, okay, fine. Like, I wasn't interested. I couldn't speak Hindi too well back then. So I was like, okay, chalo, let's go. And I went to, and then things just fell into place. Like, I auditioned for a sister's role. And within 2 weeks, like, the next thing I know is that I'm sitting in front of Ekta Kapoor and she's telling me that you're going to be the lead of my show. So I think it's crazy. It's been unbelievable. I've never really planned anything because I've realized that when you don't plan things, kind of work out better.
Yeah.
So yeah, going with the flow. As of now.
So you're going with the flow and your actions speak louder than words. I think these
Yeah. I
like
think
describe you guys the best, right? I mean, yeah.
It's helping us till now. Hopefully
So
everything
good.
goes
I
well.
hope and touch wood, you guys win and like things go as per
Yes.
plan. So yeah, I'm sure your fans are gonna be like totally at it.
yeah.
Yeah, you guys, please vote for them. They're
Wonderful.
really good. They're worth it. They're totally worth it. So yeah.
Yeah, but it's been fun. It's very overwhelming. Yeah, like sometimes I think once all of this is over, then what? Now
Yeah.
I'm so used to having 50 things in
But-
my mind at the same time.
Yeah, but do you continue to like come onto a show or do something in future after Nach Paliye? Like, what's life gonna be after Nach
Like,
Paliye?
As I said-
15 days of holiday.
Yeah, you
That-
said Goa. You mentioned that to me already.
So
Yeah, we
whatever,
We deserve it, we're saying
whatever,
that.
whatever it is, however it comes, everything goes back. At least 1 week to 10 days in Goa.
You just
Required.
chill,
I'm
Well
sure.
needed.
And you're required. Well,
Need
like,
to eat, need
holiday
to drink,
well
keep it
deserved
chill.
also for it. So yeah.
Yeah.
Required baby.
Yes,
अगर तुम नहीं भी आओगे तब भी जाऊंगा मैं.
तुम जाके बता दो मेरे को.
Okay, So, okay, so we're gonna play a small game. I don't know if you guys have played Taboo before.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
we
you
have,
have, so
we
you-
have also.
You know.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
It's
that
my
Taboo.
favorite game. So yeah, so I'm just gonna give you words. You all have to guess it.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
So don't see it. Don't peek. Don't cheat.
No. I'm looking for.
Okay, so this is what I have to say, and I can't use this, no?
Yeah, you
Obviously.
can't use that. Yeah.
Acha.
So I'm not putting a time limit because I want to see how quirky can you guys get.
Cool,
So
okay.
make it as dramatic and quirky as possible.
ठीक है. Papa has a
Camera.
dash brother.
Twin brother.
Correct. Just a
Twin.
yeah. ठीक है. Shit. Shit.
You have to guess that.
अरे तेरा साबुन डैश है क्या?
Slow.
Yeah, very nice. When oh shit, how do I say this? When you go to a place to eat,
Restaurant.
yeah, who is
Restaurant.
responsible?
Waiter.
More
Chef.
than yeah, baby.
So that's their compatibility.
Yeah.
They get it so quick.
That's my intelligence.
And compatibility.
Actually.
Give her some credit.
No,
My
that's my
dash,
intelligence.
my dash will go on and
My heart will.
on. Very good, baby.
Heart.
Okay, awesome.
Shit, I don't know whether we're allowed to use songs, but
You all are not, but it's
Okay,
okay.
no
So
songs.
it's fine. It's totally okay.
what in school we never had this dash night.
Prom night.
Very nice. When we are done with eating, we leave.
Utensils.
When we are eating outside,
Dish.
we are eating outside. We leave.
Check. Tip.
Yeah.
See, this is my intelligence.
Dude,
We
give
eat,
your girl
we
credit.
sit,
Baba
we leave.
Baba Ramdev has a dash named after him.
Company.
Arey no.
Brand.
No, more than that. Baba Ramdev, baby, you don't know.
Patanjali, I know.
No, he has something else which is very big. You don't know this, maybe we'll talk about that later. Lost, maybe they get lost and they land
Jungle,
on
forest.
land. Something else.
Island.
Kahuna Pyare, yeah, baby.
Yeah, Baba Ramdev has a
Island. I
Wow,
know, that's what I've
Baba.
heard, okay? I don't know how true it is, but I've heard, yeah.
How, Baba?
Love you, Baba.
Wow, definitely, but how?
Maybe he's a sponsor of our show.
But how? That's what I'm saying. I'm saying good things only, na?
Yeah, man.
Patanjali Kesh Kanti.
Shit, yeah. I don't know how to say this.
You can't ask me.
After eating, you have a mouth dash.
Wash.
I didn't know. Something like we
Dish.
eat.
Refreshment.
Yeah, just the other half.
Refresh.
The other half.
Mint.
No! Oh my god.
Main course.
हाँ? मुझे थोड़ा dash up होने दो.
Freshen up.
Wow. See, this is what he
After
understands.
eating.
So he
The
understands
little girl,
what-
the little girl in him.
Okay, Sanam, your turn. Come on. So wait.
I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, some 10 right. 50 right.
Oh, we haven't got score because I mean it's
Yeah,
okay.
that's
We
okay.
just yeah.
It's okay, I'm doing
It's
it.
not just about competition, it's about us, baby.
No, but you're supposed to give her poor thing. You're supposed to give her credit.
Yeah.
Nicely taking it for your intelligence.
It's my intelligence, guys. Now let's see her
Yeah.
intelligence.
Now we'll see intelligence.
Compatibility. Acha. Holiday destination.
Goa, Hawaii,
Holiday destination post wedding.
Paris, Goa, Hawaii.
Holiday destination post wedding.
Honeymoon.
You're not
There's
supposed
nothing.
to say it. Are you? Okay, fine.
Honeymoon.
Yes. What if it's not? What do we have post 2 o'clock?
Lunch.
Perfect.
You're so slow.
What is? I'm thinking. I'm using my intelligence, so that's easy for you.
Okay, baby, thank you. तुम
what-
मुझे तो
what-
समझ जाती.
Chatterbox, and another adjective or a.
Talkative.
But similar to some animal.
How can
talk.
talkative be
You make
similar
an
to
action
hyena?
of. You make an action of what is this?
Duck.
What sound?
Buck.
Quack.
Quack quack.
Yes, one word.
You can't do actions, baby. What is all
Yeah,
this?
you're not supposed to, but it's okay. We're
Okay,
just surpassing all those rules.
But then his intelligence is
So-
more than my intelligence.
No, don't worry. The
But-
fandom knows who's smart amongst
Yeah.
you people.
They know it's me.
Don't laugh at his jokes, okay, guys?
Okay,
You're not supposed to-
whenever I'm tired, post 12, what do? While
Sleep, snore.
yes,
No.
I like how he mentions whenever I'm tired.
I'm a super.
Man, hero, star.
Yeah.
Okay, so because you guys are really awesome and because y'all can literally light the stage on fire, so this is for you.
Yay!
It's
Yay.
from my favorite singer. It's a mug I've created for you guys.
So
Oh,
sweet,
yeah,
yeah.
I mean,
So
awesome.
nice.
Yeah, I print on mugs. I'm a graphic designer.
Arey,
So
kya baat.
yeah.
Fantastic.
So this is this is from a song. I don't know if you guys know the song. It's by Rachel Primit.
I will hear it now. I haven't heard it, but I like
Okay,
it.
so it's like one match can light a whole place. So this is literally for you because you
Yay.
can do it, and you seem to be more with the flow. So here, go with the flow, and
Yay, we got cups.
yeah,
We got mugs rather. Good, yeah. We need some.
Thank you so
We
much.
needed
Thank you
mugs.
so much.
Of
Thank you so
course,
much.
I'm so
We're going to
happy.
use them on our shoot. It'll be like
Good.
lucky
I'm
ones.
sure you. I'm so happy you will. I'm so happy you will. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you for everything, and please say something for your fans.
It's on a clock.
Guys, on a very serious note, please vote for us, and for that you can just give one missed call, and पूरे हफ्ते नहीं, only on the Saturday and Sundays whenever you see our performance. So post that 12 hours. Vote as much. Only one vote per phone. So make as many people do it, and we're working very hard. She's working very hard, and please, the details are 1-800-843-2208. 1-800-843-2208. That's our code. That's our line. Call us, please. You want to say something?
Thank you so much for voting for us. All these past weeks we've been saved just because of your votes, and it really means a lot. Obviously, we cannot go ahead in this show without your support. We can't go ahead in life without your support. So please vote for us and make everybody also vote for
One
us.
vote.
एक चुटकी से.
एक चुटकी से.
कीमत बहुत होती है one vote की बाबू.
Hey guys, you're watching us on Chai Coffee and
And
more.
more.
Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. They're fantastic. And
Please press like button. Please share. Please subscribe.
yes, and share our video if you really liked it, and please subscribe to these guys. They're awesome. Also, I4 Designs is on this website called Skudzi. Please check them out. Yeah, it's really good stuff.